Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we share ideas on how to take care of our skin with authentic home remedies. Please kindly subscribe and like the video, thank you. Today's topic: how to make a homemade body scrub. Let's get started. Sit tight and enjoy yourself. We start by mixing our turmeric with sugar first. Mix very well. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button, thank you. After we mix the sugar and turmeric very well, now we are going to add our honey and then continue to mix them. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share ideas as well. Now we add our lemon juice. This is a squeezed juice already. So take your time to squeeze out the juice of your lemon for easy usage. If you like this video, please subscribe. We added more sugar to get the thickness, so we are going to mix very well till they are all mixed. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button, thank you. As we can see, our body scrub is well mixed and ready for usage. Recommend you use it first before you have your bath daily. Now we are going to turn it into a container. Please make sure you get a container like this, it's best to store your body scrub. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share ideas as well. Thanks for the time everyone. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button for new videos I'll be posting. See you in my next video. Peace out.